Hi Green. Good morning. Good morning Lizzie. Why are you going to throw away that plastic bottle? Because it's just a waste. No, do you know, every year, 8 million metric tons of plastics enter our ocean on top of the estimated 150 million metric tons that currently circulate our marine environments. We should actually recycle it. Oh, is it? How do we do that? To watch this video is how we can recycle the waste plastic bottles and make beautiful home decors for our home. Wow! Is it? That sounds amazing. Let's watch.
Hello friends, welcome back to Swati Ganesh Creations. I hope every one of you are doing great. So I hope you guys liked that introduction which I used. If you guys liked it, do let me know in the comment section below. So today we are going to recycle this plastic bottle and create some beautiful tribal mask. So I am just going to cut it into half like this. You have to just heat the knife and cut the plastic bottles into half. And then I am going to mix some water with Fevicol and I am going to apply it over the bottle like this with the help of a brush, and then I'm going to stick the newspapers onto it. You have to stick at least 2 layers of newspaper. So just stick the newspaper as shown. So after sticking the newspaper, I have taken here POP, Fevicol and water in the ratio like 2:2:1. Like if I take 2 tablespoons POP and 2 tablespoons of Fevicol, I'll be mixing 1 tablespoon of water. If you want a little more water, you can add it. But look at that consistency. The consistency should be like this, and make sure there is no lumps and mix it properly with the help of a spoon. And you can carefully apply the mixture onto the bottle with the help of your spoon or your finger. Carefully apply the POP mixture for the entire bottle and allow it to dry overnight. So once it is completely dried, I am going to use a sandpaper to scrub the surface to get a smooth finish. So after it is completely dried, I am going to stick modeling clay as shown. I am going to create a face of a man and woman. So I have not taken any reference from net or something. It's my own imagination that I am creating this mask. So you can take any picture from internet and you can try to recreate them as well in the same procedure. If you need any smooth finish for a feature on the face, you can just dip your finger in water and you can rub that on the feature and it will give a smooth finish for the features. My daughter actually helped me in doing the eyebrows, mouth and all, so you can actually involve your kids as well and it will be a great time pass for them. Now I am actually going to cover the head of the man and woman. So after I have completed this, I will allow it to dry overnight. So after drying overnight, this is how it looks. So now let's start painting it. For the base, I am going to use black color. I am using here acrylic colors. So friends, in the community section, I have asked you people whether you guys will need my DIYs or Amazon gift vouchers as the gifts for the giveaway. Most of you have selected my DIYs. I'm happy about it. Very few of you have selected Amazon gift vouchers, so I don't want to disappoint anyone. So I'm going to select 3 random winners, and 2 of them are going to get my DIYs and 1 of them will be getting Amazon gift voucher. I'm working on this giveaway video. I'll soon post it on my YouTube channel, and also I'll post the rules on Instagram. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, friends, and also don't forget follow me on Instagram. I'm going to use gold here to highlight the eyebrows, eyes and nose and mouth. I am going to make some dots here with the help of backside of the brush as shown. After we have completed coloring the turban, I am also going to apply a little amount of gold even to the turban. Even in the side, I am using the back side of the brush to keep some dots like this. So this will add the pop of color to the mask, because the mask is of full black color, right? So to add in a pop of color, I am using this colorful dots here. So you can add in a small hole with the help of a screwdriver, and then you can tie this woolen thread to hang these masks on the wall. As I am going to use these masks at the entrance, so I am going to apply a layer of clear synthetic varnish, and I am going to allow it to dry for at least 24 hours. Now I am going to make a tassel with twine, and then I am going to stick it like this with the help of Fevibond. Now I attach this earring with the help of a needle. You can just heat the needle and you can attach this earring. You can even attach some beads with the help of Fevibond, and that completes our DIY. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, because that's going to motivate me to do more such videos. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click on that ting 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 bell icon. I'll see you all in the next interesting video. Until then, this is Swati Ganesh signing off. Bye bye.
So, now what do you think? I think we should recycle this bottle. Great. Let's do it. Do subscribe to Swati Ganesh's Creations for more ideas. Sure, I am going to do it right away and share it with my friends.